Okay, let's keep talking about arithmetic sequence. Yesterday we learned how to write the end formula. Now we're going to learn how to use it. Let's go over this example. It says write the end formula for the following sequence and find the 20th term. So first we need to write the end formula. And to write the end formula, we need the distance and the first term. So what is the distance or the difference between 5 and 2? Will be -3. 2 and -1 will be -3. And 1 and -4 will be -3. And what is the first term? Will be 5. So with the distance and the first term, I can write my end formula. And the first term will be 5. The distance will be -3 times n minus 1. And then use distributive property to simplify this. So it will be 5, -3 times n, -3n, -3 times -1, plus 3. And then combine like terms. 5 plus 3 will be 8, and then we just carry on the -3n. So this is my n formula, and we're going to use this as a function to find the 20th term. So I'm going to find the 20th term. So I'm going to substitute the n for 20. So -3 times 20 will be -60. So 8 the 20th term will be 8 minus 60, which in this case is -52. So that's how we use the n formula to find any term. Okay, let's go over another example. We got the sequence 22, 12, 2, and -8. We want to write the n formula and also find the 20th term. So what is the distance between 22 and 12? Will be -10. Between 12 and 2, -10. Between 2 and -8 will be also -10. So the distance will be -10. What is the first term? 22. So with the distance and the first term, I can write the formula, the end formula. So A1, I'm going to change it for 22 and the distance for -10. And then we use distributive property to simplify this. So it will be 22 minus 10n. -10 times -1 will be plus 10. And then combine like terms. 22 plus 10 will be 32 minus 10n. This is my n formula. And using this, I'm going to use it to find the 20th term. In this case, it will be 32 minus 10 times 20. -10 times 20 will be -200. So 32 minus 200, it will be that 20th term will be -168. So that's how you use the first unit to write the formula and then use the formula to find any term. Okay,